Menteri Katanat Samum ubak renikton lengdok tongkar ula pli pajba ia ka Secretariat klinik kabadon ha additional Secretariat mentenu building manha ka shiterik urempang arhajar arpaar katai ka health clinic kalong ka jaka Jingsumar kabadon kam Kyrkieh na kabenta kinong trai kam sorkar Kumjuh kilat Pathai Khubor pensngau ubak renikton haba pensngau ya ka jingdon jong katai ka jaka Jingsumar kabarit kabadon iwe doktor arngut kinos bat kinong irap ya ki doktor bat kawai ka farmasi kabarit kabala bat ajing mentoy ya ki badon kam Kyrkieh ban yok dawai yathu menteri kanika jaka Jingsumar kabarit kalong kabala slemha kabaka sarkar kalatmu bat kala pensanut daki pausnam henry menta kalalong ka jing bentoy namata upai ba pensngau ba renik kibale don lang ha kanika jingpli ki kentup ya ka kong en nampui bat ki weide kinong tre sarkar
The health clinic in Secretariat has been opened today, the 1st of February 2020. Thank you.
So who is Doctor? Okay. So on one balloon we have 3, no?
The other side of this. Oh yes.
Let me put one word by saying that we all know and we believe that health comes first of all things. Even though in Secretariat, the Department of SAD find difficulty to accommodate all the officers who need rooms, all the chairman, MLAs who need room in Secretariat, but somehow the department managed to get the facility to provide room for the health clinic here in Secretariat. So this is big thing, and I want to congratulate all the officers involved, all the staff involved here. I'm very happy that as we celebrate a year-long Golden Jubilee celebration, we can give to the people of the state, we can give to the staff and officers working in Secretariat to have this facility now, that they can get medical assistant right from the office of Secretariat itself. All these years, 50 years, we do not know where will the people from Secretariat will go. They will have to decide where to go first, in which hospital to take them when they have any problem and when they need medical assistance. And I wish all the staff who will work here, they will dedicate their service for the betterment of the people working in Media Secretariat.